Hey guys, it's Christy. I'm the sales manager here at Generation Family Properties. Thanks for joining us for today's video.
Thinking about buying land but don't want to use a realtor? You're not alone. A lot of our buyers go the direct route to save time, money, and hassle. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of buying land without a realtor and show you how easy it can be and what to look for. First up, find a property that fits your needs. Are you looking for off-grid land, something with utilities, room for a home, cabin, or RV? You can search places like Zillow, LandWatch, or our website where we list all of our owner-financed land. Pro tip, always check for access to make sure the property isn't landlocked. Next, it's time for some homework. You'll want to check county zoning, flood zones, road access, utilities, and whether the land has clear title. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Most counties have GIS mapping tools and zoning info online, and we provide all of this upfront on every property that we sell. Once you're ready to move forward, the next step is making an offer and signing a purchase agreement. With us, it's all online, simple, and straightforward. I'll send you a secure link and we can review everything at your own pace. You don't need a realtor or a fancy law office, just a clear agreement and a trustworthy seller. After signing, you'll make your down payment. Then you'll either pay in full within 4 weeks or start your monthly payment if we're doing owner financing. Once it's paid, the deed gets recorded in your name with the county. We handle that for all of our buyers, so you don't need to stand in line at the recorder's office or figure out any paperwork. My biggest tip, ask questions. A good land seller should be happy to explain zoning, access, utilities, or whatever else you're unsure about. If not, that's a red flag, and I'm always happy to hop on the phone and answer any questions that you have. Buying land without a realtor is 100% doable when you have the right info and a seller who's on your side. If you want to see the land we have available right now, check out the website, which is in the description below, and subscribe for weekly videos on land for sale, tips, and land investing insights. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.